Sri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. Welcome to our online class. Now, already you learn in the 4th standard the successor and the predecessor. Already you hear the name. Anybody, have you remember that? What is successor? What is successor? Anybody, have you remember that? Anyone tell the answer? What is successor? The successor of a number is the number just after it. What is this? Just after the number. After number is called as the successor. How do you get the after number? By adding 1. By adding 1 to the number. By adding 1 to the number. Listen, successor means what? After number by adding 1 to the number. Are you okay? Now, how you get the successor of the number? For example, I put one sum. For this, what is this number? Read 45,768. This is the number. How do you get the next number? So, you add 1. You add 1. The 1 is right in the ones period only. Sorry, ones place. Wherever you have to write mean you have get the answer in the wrongly. So you have to write the 1 in the ones place only. Now you have to add this number. 8 plus 1 what? What do you get the answer 8 plus 1? You get the answer 8 plus 1 is 9. What is you get the answer? 9. Okay, what about the rest of the numbers? The 6 as it is you have to write 7, 5, 3. Everything should be right in the same. 4, 5, 7, 6, 9. Are you okay, children? So, this is the after number 45,768. After number what? 45,769. This is the another name for successor. After number name another name for successor. Are you okay, children? This is you get the successor of the every number. You add 1, you get the next number. Okay? This is successor. Now move on to the predecessor. What is the predecessor? Just before number. What is the predecessor? Before number. The number just before it. That is the predecessor. How do you get the before number? By subtracting 1. By subtracting 1 you get the before number. Okay. Now look at the example sum. What is this number? Read this number 87,695. How do you get the number? Subtracting. By subtracting 1. Where the 1 is right? In the ones place. Now you do the subtraction. 5 minus 1 what? What is the answer? 5 minus 1. You get the answer. 5 minus 1 is 4. What is your answer? 4. The rest of the remaining numbers, the 9 as it is you have to write the number 9. Then you have to write the number 6. Then 7. Then 8. Are you okay? So what you get? 87,694. So 87,695 by minus 1 you get the answer. Say 87,694. Just you look at that number just before number. Are you able to understand? Just before number. So that is called as a predecessor. In the after number means successor. Before number means predecessor. After number, how do you get the after number? By adding 1. How do you get the before number? You subtract by 1. That's the difference of the predecessor and the successor. Listen children, now move on to the exercise 1.2. Write the expanded form of each. Write the expanded form. Already you know very well, very easy to write this Roman number. Already you know the number. I know very well. All the one expert in the writing the expanded form. Now move on to the answer children. First you read this number 31 lakh. This is lakh period. So 31 lakh 24,056. Okay. Now 31 lakh. First you write the 30 lakh. Once again a easy one method I show you. First what digit here? 3. So I write the 3. After 3 how many digits you count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to put 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you okay children? Very easy to write this. So that is what? 30 lakh. 30 lakh. Then what about the next digit? 1. After 1, how many digits counted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 1 lakh. That is 1 lakh. After one digit 1, so next digit what? 2. 2 after how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you put 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this number called as? 20,000. The number is 20,000. What is the next digit? After 2, the digit 4. So you have to write 4. After 4, how many digits? 3 digits. So you have to put 3 zeros. Then what is this number? 4,000. Then after 4, what is this number? There is 0. So that 100 plus is 0. So you have to write only 0 only you have to write. Then what about the next place? 5. So you have to write 5. 5 after how many digit? Only one digit. So only 1 0. That is 50. Then plus what is the last 5? After 5 what digit? 6. 6 after any number is here, there is no number. So there is no zeros in your adding with the 6 because the 6 is the ones place. So the next tens place, 100 place is 0. Then 4,000, 1000 place, 10,000 place, lakh place, 10 lakh place. Are you able to understand children? This is the expanded form. Now move on to the second sum. Tell the answer. First what do you write? 1. After 1 how many digits? 6 digits. So 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then plus. Then what about next digit? 2. After 2, 5 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what is the next digit? 1. After 1 how many digits? 4 digits. So 4 zeros. Then what is the next digit? 2. After 2, 3 digits. So 3 zeros. Then 100 place is 0 only. So you have to write 0. Then what about the tens place? 1. 10. Then finally 2. Are you able to understand how do we write the expanded form in this? These three sums homework. C, D, E. These three sums are homework. You copy the question. You copy the 3 questions. You have to write the homework and send it in my number. Okay children? You copy the questions. Then here before you write in the expanded form. Now move on to the next topic. Write the expanded form. What is standard form. Here we have first Roman expanded form. The second Roman standard form. It's nothing but the standard form. Listen, you look at the, what is this period? This is ones period, thousands, lakhs, crore. So first you write the 8 crore period you have to finish the main, you put a comma. Then what is this? What is this period? Ones, thousands, lakhs. So 60 lakhs. So you have to write the 60 lakhs. Then 70,000. What is this? 70,000 plus 5,000. What is that? 70,000 plus 5,000. So thousands place values are 2, 75,000. Then what about here 2? There is no 100 place, there is no tens place. Instead of these 2 place, you put 2 zeros. Then 2. So how do you read? 8 crore 60 lakh 75,002. There is no 100 place, there is no tens place. Instead of the 2 place, 2 zeros. Here 60 lakh, and what about the how do you write in the 60 lakhs? 60. 75,000. 100 plus tens place, you put zeros. Then move on to the next sum. Here what is this? 9 crore 7,000. What is this? 9 crore 7,000. So 9 crore. I finished the crore period. What about the lakh period? There is no lakh period. So instead of lakh period, 2 zeros. Then 1000 period, only 7,000 only. 7,000 have a 2 place values. So only 7,000 means 07,000. What about the 100 place, tens place? There is no 100 place, there is no tens place. So instead of the 2 place, you put 2 zeros. Then finally 7. This is 9 crore 7,007. Are you okay, children? Next, move on to the next sum. What is this? 5 lakhs. So I write the 5 lakhs. End of the lakhs period, I put a comma. Then 4 10,000. 4 10,000 mean what? 40,000. 4 into 10,000, 40,000. 4 10,000 mean 40,000. After the lakhs period, you put 4 10,000 mean 40,000. 40,000. Then 9 ones. There is no 100 place, there is no tens place. Instead of 2 place, you put 2 zeros. After the ones place, 9. So 5 lakh 40,000 9. Are you okay? Now move on to the next. Here look at the 6 10 lakhs. What is that? 6 10 lakhs. 6 10 lakhs mean what? 60 lakhs. 6 10 lakhs mean 60 lakhs, and one more lakhs is here. So 60 lakhs plus 1 means 61 lakh. Then 5 10,000. 5 10,000 means what? 50,000. And one here 3,000. So 50,000 plus 3,000, 53,000. There is no 100 place, there is no ones place, there is no tens place. So the 3 places you put 3 zeros. Are you okay, children? Now 61 lakh 53,000. Are you able to understand? Next, you move on to the next sum. This is an 8 crore. So 8 crore. Then what about the lakh period? Here missing of the lakhs period. So you put lakhs period have a 2 place values, 2 zeros. Then move on to the thousands. 2 10,000 means what? 20,000. 2 into 10,000, 20,000. Again one more thousands here. 20,000 plus 1, 21,000. Here 100 place, tens place is missing. So instead of missing place, you put zeros. 100 tens. The ones place is what? 7. So 8 crore 21,007. Are you understood, children? 8 crores 21,007. Okay. Now you copy the sums. Thank you, children. See you tomorrow.